Namaste everybody, welcome to BetoEats. Today, I am going to a very popular store in the United States called Trader Joe's. And Trader Joe's happens to have some frozen Indian food items. So we are gonna go there, we're gonna buy some things, and we're gonna try them out, and we're gonna rate them to see what is the best and what is the worst. So chalo, let's go. We just got back home from Trader Joe's and we have all of these things that we are going to try today. So the very first thing that caught my eye was these chicken tikka samosas. Chicken tikka samosas. I've never had something like this. Sounds delicious. I do want to try it with my parents. That's going to be great. Another thing that's more of a chat that I found there were these aloo chat kati pouches. So I recently had a kati roll last week's video and that was amazing. So when I saw this, I knew I had to try it as well. So we'll be trying this aloo chat kati pouch. It says crispy pastry stuffed with potatoes, chickpeas, chaat masala, and tamarind chutney. Sounds pretty good. And to the actual food, like the actual main dishes that we got Palak Paneer. The picture looks actually really good, so we're gonna see how good it actually looks when we make it. So we have this is in the freezer aisle. We also got some buttered chicken with Basmati rice. So this one, I'm pretty excited about. I feel like you can't really mess up buttered chicken. So I'm hoping that this is actually at least somewhat close to restaurant style, but I don't know, since it is frozen, I don't know how good it's gonna be, but let's try it and we'll give it a rating for sure. We did find some frozen Trader Joe's Malabari Paratha. This looks delicious, I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and try this as well. And to top it all off, we do have some naan. Actually, it looks pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and heat this up and we're gonna eat it with the curries, the palak paneer, and the butter chicken. I'm excited. It looks pretty good. Even though it is frozen, it does look pretty good. But let's see. We will let you know with a 1 to 10 rating and I will invite my parents to try it with me. Let's do it. We heated up the food. It is ready to eat. I do have both of my parents, my dad Humberto and my mom Elena, with me to share this experience with us. ¿Tienen hambre?
Mucha.
Yeah, ¿tienen hambre?
Claro, claro que sí, claro.
All right, they're hungry, so let's go ahead and do it. How it's gonna work, we are gonna try one thing at a time and we are gonna give it a rating between 0 and 10. 10 being super delicious, 0 being not so delicious. The very first thing that we are going to try is the samosas. Dad, let's go ahead. Agarre su samosa. Ma, su samosa.
Qué chiquita.
A ver. Alright, they're mini samosas. And these samosas are chicken tikka samosas. Ready?
Listo.
Alright, let's go ahead and try it. Let's go.
Toda.
Wow.
Muy buena.
Wow. Buenísimo.
I'm
Very good.
very surprised.
Muy buena.
Very
Yes,
surprised.
mi vieja, very good, very good.
Can otra? You want one more?
Oh,
Una más?
dos, tres.
There you go. Alright, yeah, we have to try this again. It was actually really good. I'm surprised. Alright. Wow,
Buenas,
crispy,
buenas.
crispy.
Muy doraditas.
Bien buena.
Yeah, crispy outside, soft inside.
Buenas,
Like
muy buenas.
I can taste the chicken in there.
Riquísimas.
Very good. Maybe some onions in there. Wow, amazing. Apa, Dad, de 0 a 10, from 0 to 10, what do you give the chicken samosas?
No, de esas chicken samosas yo te daría un 11.
Alright.
Qué bueno,
Some-
muy buenas, buenísimas.
My dad loved them. He's gonna give them an 11. So that means he really liked them.
Quiero más,
Okay.
quiero más.
Alright, Ma?
10, un 10. Muy
Okay,
buenas.
my mom liked them too. She's gonna
Buenas,
give it.
buenas. Very good.
10.5.
Alright, she's gonna give it a 10. Alright, so far really good. I'm gonna give it a 9. Even though it was very delicious for a frozen food item, it actually didn't have much of the chicken tikka masala flavor, which it says it's supposed to be. But overall, like, regardless, they should just call these chicken samosas. Overall, I would buy again. This kati roll is an aloo chat kati roll, which I've never had. I had the chicken kati rolls, but let's see. Since we only have 2, hay dos, hay que cortarlo en dos. A ver. Ama, aquí está. Aquí está. Para usted, Dad. One for you. A ver, wait for me. Y so this kati roll has aloo in it. It has some chutneys. It has some garbanzo beans in here as well. Some chickpeas. Some veggies. It's looking really good. Let's go ahead and try it. ¿Está lista, Ma? You ready?
Lista.
Alright, let's do it. Cheers, everybody.
Todas.
Lo que se quiera. Alright, here we go. Let's try it. Kati roll.
Buenas.
Ay, cabrón, cabrón.
Sabe al relleno de las.
Yeah.
¿Verdad?
Yeah. Wow. Oh, I'm impressed. Very good.
Muy bueno.
Hay que comprar una seguidora.
So what my mom said is that the filling of this pretty much is the filling of the normal samosa. The aloo, the chickpeas, the chutney. It even has that chutney flavor. My mom's gonna go first this time. De 0 a 10, from 0 to 10, what do you give it?
Un 10.
A 10? Alright, right away she says a 10. Alright, Dad, what would you give this frozen food kati roll?
Los kati rolls son delicios, muy bueno, sabrosísimo. 10.9.
Alright, he's giving it a 10.9. Okay, for
Eso
me,
depende de la hambre que traigas.
I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10.
Oh.
8 out of 10. It was really good for a frozen food item, really good. But I tried way better kati rolls than this one. But overall, this one is good, and I would buy again if I was craving something like this.
BetoEats esta me está mirando mal.
All right, what we're gonna do first, we have some Malabari Parathas right here. Una para cada quien. One for everybody. There you go. Okay. Aquí está, esta. Alright, what we're gonna do, lo que vamos a hacer es cortarla en dos. Let's break it up in 2. There we go. Okay.
Yo la doblé en dos.
Alright, y lo que vamos a hacer, we're gonna grab a piece and we are gonna eat the Palak Paneer. This is also frozen Palak Paneer from Trader Joe's. Palak Paneer es este de espinaca. Es el curry de espinaca. Okay, agarren un pedazo.
Con todo y quesito.
Yeah, with the paneer, make sure you get the paneer and the curry. Okay, ¿listos? Let's go. The Malabari Paratha takes it to a whole other level. What do you give the Palak Paneer from 0 out of 10? This is frozen Palak Paneer. What do you give it? The curry, the green curry.
Exacto, 9.9. 9.
Okay, he gives it a
A
9.9.
little bit less than that before.
Okay. Okay.
Very good.
What about the paratha, the Malabari paratha?
Is, I give it 10.
Yeah, the paratha stole the show.
my
This is
favorite.
amazing. Okay, Ama, ¿qué le da el curry verde, el Palak Paneer?
8.
Okay, my mom is giving it a 8. Alright, pero ¿qué le da a la tortilla de?
10. Muy bueno.
Oh, she loves the Malabari paratha. She gives it a
Yes.
10. Malabari paratha is my first 10 out of 10. It's so amazing. It's very flaky. It's almost like you're eating like a croissant. It's so good. The Palak Paneer, I'm going to give it also an 8. I think it's good, but it's definitely not restaurant like quality. The next thing we are going to be trying is the butter chicken with the basmati rice. And of course, we do have some naan that they also sell there. So Dad, here's your naan. Mama, here's your naan. And here's my naan. Okay, it's very soft. It's a lot thicker, almost like paratha thick. So it doesn't really look like naan, but we're gonna go ahead and try it either way. Yeah, and we're gonna only get the el pollo, no agarre el arroz. Only get the chicken. Normally you eat the butter chicken and the rice apart, but this one kind of came together, which is a little weird. But just grab the chicken, nada más el pollo con el paratha, with the naan. Here we go, the chicken with the naan. Ready?
Ready.
All right, let's do it. Cheers, everybody. Wow. Even though the naan is really like weird and thick, it's delicious. I will start out in this one. The naan itself, I'm actually gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because I love any type of Indian type of flatbread, and this is really good. I don't know whether to call this a paratha or to call this a naan, but regardless what it is, it's really good and I would buy this again. As far as the butter chicken goes, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. For butter chicken, it's not as close to the restaurant styles that I've had that is super delicious. It's still good if you're craving it. So 8 out of 10 for me for butter chicken. Ama, el pollo de butter chicken, ¿qué le da?
Un 15.
Un 15. My mom is giving it a 15. That's the highest rating she's given a dish today for the butter chicken.
Buenísimo.
She loved it. ¿Y qué le da al naan?
10.
Okay, the naan is giving it a 10. So overall, she pretty much enjoyed this one. Okay, Dad, your turn. El pollo, the butter chicken. What do you give it out of 10?
El pollo yo le doy 10.
Okay.
Está muy sabroso, muy delicioso y
All right.
al naan.
Yeah, naan. What do you give the
Naan
naan?
10. Perfecto.
All right.
Te falta esta, ¿no?
So we got 2 10s. We got 2 10s in this one. Amazing. All right. So the final decision. De todo esto, ¿qué les gustó más? Out of all of the appetizers and the dishes that we have the Palak Paneer, the butter chicken, the samosas, and the aloo kati roll. ¿Qué les gustó más? What did you like the best?
Primeras,
A ver, okay.
las samosas.
Las samosas,
El chicken.
el butter chicken. Okay.
Y francés.
Oh, and okay. So my mom loved the samosas. She also loved the butter chicken, and she loved the Malabari paratha. So that was my mom's favorite out of everything, and she recommends that to you all to try at Trader Joe's. Dad, de todo esto, ¿qué le gustó más? What did you like the best?
Pues yo definitivamente me gustó todo,
Okay.
pero lo que más me llena
Yeah.
samosas.
Oh, okay. So my dad loved the samosas, and you would recommend it?
Oh yeah, recommend everybody. Oh my God, that's amazing and delicious.
Awesome. And the cool thing about Trader Joe's, those samosas, you probably get like about 10 mini samosas for like $2 to $3, which is a pretty good deal. And if you're craving those will definitely satisfy your craving. I will have to say that my favorite thing here was probably also the samosas, but my favorite overall that you should try from Trader Joe's is the Malabari Paratha. This thing is super delicious, and I plan on buying it many times. Like always, I do like to give 2 shout outs to 2 lucky subscribers who commented on my previous videos, so roll the shout out. I do want to give a big thank you to my parents Humberto and Elena for being on my video. Thank you so much. Gracias por estar en mi video. Y siempre están bienvenidos a comer comida de India.
Muchas gracias, muchas gracias. Aquí estaremos presentes seguidos.
Chicos, siempre que traigas comida esta, invítame. Oh, that's my favorite.
And like always, if you haven't already, definitely smash that like button and subscribe to BetoEats. I post one new video every week, so stay tuned for the next video. But until next time, this has been BetoEats, and thank you so much for watching. Adios!